welcome back to my channel. So today we are back at it again with December 13th of the Madam Glam Advent Calendar. This thing is getting pretty light from like unboxing a lot of the gifts. So yeah, we've done quite a few days, and like when I first started out it was like super heavy. Now it's like getting a lot lighter. I'm gonna be so sad when this is over. I love Christmas and I really like doing these videos every day. It's kind of like a vlogmas type thing almost. But yeah, I mean, I'm still gonna make my regular videos, but I'm just saying I really like Christmas. But yeah, today is the 13th. So let me see if you guys can see that. But this is what we're looking like for the 13th. This is the box. I'm guessing that it's going to be another polish just because of the size of the box. Like, I think it's going to be one of those mini polishes again. So let me take it out. So, okay, you guys can see that. So this is the box for the 13th. This box is cute. I like the white matte packaging with the little like side gold holographic design. So yeah, it definitely does feel like a polish, and I'm pretty sure I'm right. Let me just open it. So yes, I was right. It is another mini gel polish. Let me zoom you guys in. So this one is a mini gel polish. It looks like it's a burgundy color, and this one is called Haunt Me. Let's open it up really quick. It was a bad idea to put lotion on before the video. Okay, I got it open finally. So this is the color. It looks like a like I said, like a burgundy shade. Really pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch it really quick. I keep hitting my lamp and it keeps going off. It's driving me nuts. All right, so here's my swatch stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. From the looks of this one seems like it's actually a lot thicker than the one that I swatched yesterday. The one that I swatched yesterday seemed really thin for some reason. But this one actually seems like it might be thick, like Madam Glam's regular polishes, like the bigger ones that I always use in my videos. So yeah, it definitely is a lot thicker. As you can see, it goes on a lot more pigmented than the last one. That color is super pretty. I actually really like this color a lot. Really love like burgundy shades. But I do need to go in with a second coat. As you can see, there is a little bit of sheerness, but I think a second coat will be like just fine. So I'm gonna cure this. All right, so this is what we're looking like after curing for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the second coat. And this is after the second coat. As you can see, you can actually see the entire color now. It's really opaque with 2 coats. So yeah, definitely 2 coats and you should be good. But yeah, this color is super gorgeous. I actually do want to see what this color would look like with the velvet matte top coat that actually came in this advent calendar. Just because of the color, I feel like it's kind of like a nice holiday color, and doing the velvet matte on top of it would give it like a nice holiday type of vibe. So I'm gonna cure this and then we'll just top coat it with the matte top coat. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the matte top coat. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like. I bet this color is gonna look like so bomb, like with the velvet matte. I could feel it in my bones. No, let me stop. But yeah, let's see. So there's like a little preview of what it would look like as it is shiny. But yeah, I'm gonna cure it and we'll take a look. Guys, so this is the finished look. I am loving this color as matte. Like, imagine on Christmas wearing like a set of long coffin or stiletto nails with just this color on it. With the velvet matte, it would be so freaking cute. Wow. That matte top coat is really nice. I love it a lot. It just makes it look so velvety and smooth, and I don't know, it makes you just want to like rub it. I don't know, it's just weird. But yeah, I really love this color with the matte on it. Really, really pretty. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's unboxing. Tomorrow we will be doing the 14th. Let me zoom you guys out here. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be doing the 14th. This is what we're looking like for the 14th. I believe this is another gel polish. Like I said, I think the next few unboxings are gonna be like those mini gel polishes. But I'm super excited because I love like seeing what color it's going to be like every day. And we also do have like a bigger box on Christmas Eve, which is the 24th. And as always, the 25th is like the biggest gift of them all. So yeah, I'm so excited to see what is in the rest of them. But yeah, make sure you guys check out the playlist. If you missed any of the other unboxings, it will be linked at the end of this video. Or you can go to my playlist on my channel and find it there, whatever you want to do. And yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload my videos. I always post like nail tutorials and like product reviews. And yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's unboxing. Thank you for joining me again. Bye.